Hello. Thought I'd do a what's in my fridge tag because everybody else is doing them. So this is my fridge. This part's the freezer. I do have another one, just not set it up yet. So this is inside. More of a what's not in my fridge, I think. A quick glance. And this side. Overkill of milk and beer. Right, I'll start then up here. We have, I can't reach properly, corned beef pasties, which are for hubby for work. I don't like them. And Muller light. Ooh, haven't got anything behind there. Probably. Put them down. Oh yeah. And behind we have hot dog relish, marmalade, blech. A Lexi's little macaroni cheese from Tesco. Cute fruit spread. Just turn that down. Whoops. Lexi's little wraps from Tesco. Some eggs, free range eggs that we get off the milkman. Beer, which you'll probably see a lot of. Not mine. These. Then we have a very fruit spread. Onken whole grain yogurt. There's some salsa behind. More eggs from Neil's work. 2 cheese sauces, which we're going to use tonight. Beer. What's this? Rice milk. And some sticky barbecue sauce. More yogurts for the littlies. Nothing behind them. I moved that backwards, that's good. And this shelf we have, whoops, what are these? Black currant and something or other, can't pronounce it, sponge puddings. More Mullers. Some butter. More yogurts. And some turkey ham, which I don't eat again. More Mullers. More yogurts. Some leeks. Some milk. Pastry. Milkshake. Then on this one, I can get these back up. Baby's moving then wasn't a good idea. Anyway, in this one we've got bacon, chicken, 2 packets of sausage, one behind, lots and lots of mayonnaise and ketchup behind there. You can see it. 2 packets of mince for tonight, a chicken, a beer. Down on the floor for a minute. Where's that beer from? There's no lid there. And then in there we have some spinach, lettuce, more wraps at the bottom, cucumber, salad onions, another cucumber, tomatoes. On this side we have Actimel, some more barbecue sauce, more tomatoes in paper bags, some beans at the back. Then to the door we have milk, milk, milk. We also have milk on the side, a yogurt, some leeks, blueberry jam, parmesan, parmesan cheese, some organic lemon curd yogurt, a bit weird, some sausages, more beer. Well, not Alps. Black cherry yogurt for the weekend when you finish work. And up here, which I can just about reach in any little, we have some little cheese bites. Take to school. Block of cheese. Tomato puree. More cheese. Garlic and herb cheese in there. Philadelphia. Garlic puree. And underneath, if you can see, some cheese spread. Lots of cheese spread. Well, that's my fridge. I'll show you quickly what's in the freezer. Probably a lot of junk. So, in the first drawer, we have 2 lots of chicken, some cauliflower cheese bake, a bit of carbonara, which I made, and then we have more chicken, chips, some garlic and some Italian seasoning, some fish, as you can see in that beef joint, and some steak on the top. And in this drawer we have black forest fruit, raspberries, ice, some cherries, more cherries in the bag down there, chocolate fudge cake, that went off on me then. We also have some ice cream, lots of ice cream. In this one, won't open properly, we have chicken, apple and blackberry crumble, more chicken, potatoes, lots and lots of chicken, basically, and then veggies, more vegetables, chips, broccoli, a weird meal for one, and just veggies. I do have another freezer, but I can't really get to it, so I won't bother with that one. But yeah, that's what's in my freezer, and my mess up there, slices and plastics and all sorts, still organising. Okay, well, thanks for watching.